This is question number 7 and it's an asterisk question. We're told plants are sold in 3 different sizes of tray. A small tray of 30 plants costs £6.50. A medium tray of 40 plants costs £8.95. A large tray of 50 plants costs £10.99. Kaz wants to buy the tray of plants that is the best value for money. Which size tray of plants should she buy? You must show all your work in. The question carries 4 marks. So what we're looking at is the best value or the best buy. So let's go ahead now and look at the best buy. We can work out the cost of one plant. So just write in here, cost of one plant, and I'm just going to jot this down, will be equal to the price divided by the quantity. We want this to be as low as possible. So we want this now, we want it to be, as low as possible. So just jotting this down, this is what we're going to do. Okay, so let's start off with the small one. So what we'll do is take the small one, and we're going to have now 30 plants, and the cost is £6.50. So we can put this as 6.5 or 6.50, or we can just put it in pence. So if I put it in pence, it's going to be 650p divided by 30. This will tell me the cost of each plant. So if we do that, we've got 650, and again you can cancel the zeros if you want. That tells me now that each plant is going to be 21.6 and so on and so forth. So what we can say is the following. So 21.666 ... pence. So each plant, and I'm going to give this to 1 decimal place. Each plant is equal to 21.7p. So that's each plant for the small one. If we look now at the medium, we're going to have 895p divided by 40. Again, we can do this on a calculator. So 895 divided by 40, and that's going to give me on there 22.375. So let's put this in, 22.375. So I'm going to say each plant is going to be equal to 22.4p. And again, these are to 1 decimal place. You might want to write that down. If we now look at the large, we'll take the large ones. So large ones, we've got now 1099, so we can write 1099 over 50, and this will now give us the cost in pence of each plant. So 1099 divided by 50, and that's going to give me on there 21.98. So we can say that's going to be 21.98, and I can say each plant is going to be equal now to 22.0p. So all given now, and I'll just jot this here, all to 1 dp. Okay, therefore from this we can see that the cheapest is going to be the smallest. So therefore, using the therefore symbol, the small tray, so small tray is the best value. So small tray, best value, and we can see from that it's the best value as each plant is only costing 21.7p to the nearest 0.1 of a p compared to the others. That's one way that you could do that question.